Dear student, welcome back to our NIEVS home school. Hope you are fit and fine at home. I am Shivli Shah, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Student, today I am going to take your English literature class for the student of class 1. Student, our today's topic is the poem The Old Owl. But before going to start this class, I am requesting all of you, please take out your English literature book, that means your buzzword book, and open at page number 13 and read after me. Okay, so let's start. Student, follow this poem. Our poem's name, the Old Owl. There was a wise old owl with a pointed nose and pointed ears and claws for his toes. He sits in a tree and he looks at you, and he flaps his wings and he says, "Tweet too." Again, I am going to tell this once again. The old owl. There was a wise old owl with a pointed nose and pointed ears and claws for his toes. He sits in a tree and he looks at you, and he flaps his wings and he says, "Tweet too." Student, there are 8 lines. This poem consists of 8 lines. You have to memorize these 8 lines. Follow this poem, student. The headline, the old owl. Here are 3 words. Student, you have to write the first letter of each word. Starts with capital letter. Look at the board. B, T-H-E. The first letter T will be capital letter, old, O-L-D. O will be with capital letter, and owl, O-W-L. O will be capital letter. Student, you know that there are 8 lines, and first letter of each sentence starts with capital letter D, W, A, H, A, and A. Okay, and first letter, the first sentence, there was a wise old owl. Student, follow this line, follow this poem very carefully. There was no punctuation mark. Okay, so there is no punctuation mark. You will not write. There is no punctuation mark. With a pointed nose. At the same way, there is no punctuation mark, and pointed ears and claws for his toes. He sits in a tree and he looks at you, and he flaps his wings. Student, there are 8 lines. At the first 7 lines, student, follow it very carefully. There is no punctuation mark. And the last line, he says, "Tweet too." Okay, this line is very important. He says, after says, there is a comma, and tweet too. T, it will be with capital letter, and two, and first letter two, it will be with capital letter. Okay, and at the end of this sentence, there is a exclamatory mark and inverted comma. You have to follow these rules. So student, again I am going to tell these poems for the last time. The old owl. There was a wise old owl with a pointed nose and pointed ears and claws for his toes. He sits in a tree and he looks at you, and he flaps his wings and he says, "Tweet too." The owl makes the sound tweet too. Student, Hope you have understood our today's topic. You have to memorize this poem and do your homework and submit it on Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Student, again I am telling that your homework will be the poem The Old Owl. You have to memorize it. And student, you have to practice it more and more at home and do your homework and submit it on next Saturday. Thank you all of you.